Every person is unique in life. We all speak the language of love. We communicate with our mothers with a unique language. That is the language of love. Today, we have a very special guest on the show with us. Welcome to your favorite show, किरदार भारत के इंस्पायरिंग रियल लाइफ स्टोरीज. और भारत की एक ऐसी प्यारी सी माँ हमारे साथ मौजूद है, अंकिता राघव अरोड़ा. हाय अंकिता, हाउ आर यू?
Oh, I'm good. How are you?
So this is the first ever exclusive interview of a lovely Arnik. Hi Arnik, how are you?
Say hello. Hi.
See, like mother, like son. He is amazing on camera. And let us ask a few questions about Arnik from Ankita. So how does the name Arnik came?
So basically, we were searching for names, and it was actually very difficult, and we didn't knew the gender, like male or female. So for female, we thought of Arnika. I always wanted a girl, but then Arnika was my first preference. But then when Arnik was born, Arnika, why Arnika and Arnik? Because it starts from A, and my initial start is A, and then Raghav name is R. अगर आप देखते हो तो वो आर्निक आता है, आर भी आता है, ए भी आता है, so that's why आर्निक. And the meaning is also really good. It means unique, so that's why we.
Unique, wow, and completely what a unique name, and he is unique. Everybody is uniquely talented. Today we are at Ecos where the kids and the servers cannot speak and hear, but they speak and communicate with the language of love.
Exactly.
So today Ankita, Arnik is not speaking. He will speak later, and he's saying mama, papa. He's a toddler today, and you can relate with the servers here and Arnik.
Exactly. When you love them, you gotta understand their language, because the emotions connect. So that's why how we connect with him. We know what he's saying. If he's crying, from the sound of his crying, I can judge. If he's asking for milk or food or toys. So this is the language of love, because mother is actually attached to the person directly. So the emotions के साथ वो connection होता है. आपको बात करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, आप देखकर बता देते हो कि वो क्या चाहता है.
आप एक बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल फैशन इन्फ्लुएंसर हैं और अब आप न्यूएस्ट मॉमी इन्फ्लुएंसर भी हैं. ये जो जर्नी है फैशन से मदरहुड की, कैसी रही आपके लिए?
टू बी ऑनेस्ट इट इज़ डिफ़िकल्ट, बिकॉज जब आप प्रेग्नेंट होते हो तो आपको कुछ फिट नहीं हो रहा होता है, आप इरिटेट भी हो रहे होते हो यार कि आपका साइज़ इतना ड्रास्टिकली चेंज होता है. एंड इनिशियली तो मेरा वेट गेन नहीं हुआ था. व्हेन फ्रॉम 7 मंथ इट वाज वेरी हार्ड फॉर मी. आई वाज लाइक यार ये क्या हो रहा है, मेरे कोई भी कपड़े मुझे फिट नहीं हो रहे हैं. तो फैशन, बीइंग अ फैशन इन्फ्लुएंसर, तो थोड़ी सी डिफ़िकल्टी आई थी. बट देन धीरे धीरे यू गेट यूज्ड टू इट, एंड नाउ इट फील्स अमेजिंग. I do both the things. I actually promote mommy branded things also. Shoots मैं उसमें भी करती हूँ, और fashion related things. So these two are my forte right now. I love being mom, to be very honest.
क्या बात है. और इसी के साथ मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि जैसे ही किड्स ब्रांड्स आर अप्रोचिंग यू, और भारत की भी कुछ ब्रांड्स हैं जो आपको अप्रोच कर रहे हैं, तो आर्निक को एक किड मॉडल की तरह देख के आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है अभी तो फिलहाल, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली अभी जब टॉडलर होते हैं, किड्स होते हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली दे गो कि जो पेरेंट्स चाहते हैं कि आपको क्या करना है, हम हमारे अकॉर्डिंग ही चलता है. बट आगे इन फ्यूचर व्हाट ही वांट्स टू बी, लाइक इफ ही डजंट वांट टू बी अ मॉडल, इट्स अप टू हिम. बट राइट नाउ या ही इज लाइक एंजॉयिंग आल्सो द मॉडलिंग, एंड वी टू.
सो व्हाट इज योर फैमिलीज नोशन, व्हाट योर फैमिली वांट्स कि आर्निक बड़ा होकर ये बने? क्योंकि जब बच्चा पैदा होता है एवरीबॉडी सेज, मुझे तो लगता है आर्निक को हम डॉक्टर बनाएंगे, इंजीनियर बनाएंगे, मॉडल बनाएंगे, पर अंकिता क्या बेबी क्या बनेगा?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि हम ऐसा कुछ नहीं सोचते हैं, बिकॉज दिस इज लाइक आप पहले नहीं सोच सकते हो कि आपको यही बनाना है अपने बच्चे को. वट एवर ही वॉन्ट्स टू बी, इट्स हिज डिसीजन, वट एवर ही वॉन्ट्स टू बी इन हिज लाइफ.
सो अंकिता और राघव ऐसे मॉम डैड नहीं है जो बचपन से ही बच्चे के मन में ये डालते हैं कि तुमने बड़े होके ये बनना है?
या एग्जैक्टली, इट्स हिज विश, वट एवर ही वॉन्ट्स टू बी.
क्या बात है, फैंटास्टिक. एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग अंकिता, फॉर बडिंग मदर्स आई वांट टू नो फ्रॉम यू हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट इज टू conceive and also enjoy the journey with the family pressure.
Yeah, see, I got married at the age of 26, and I started planning after 3-4 years. So obviously conceiving journey isn't easy when you cross a age, right? So it was little difficult for me as well, but Arnik was unplanned, because at that point of time I was not planning, because like I am not thinking of it right now, and then it was suddenly happened. When you don't think too much about things, everything gonna fall in place. Believe in God, it gonna happen. So this is what I believe, and and yeah.
Wow. So Ankita has said a very beautiful thing, and with this straw, just like it is going round and round, life goes round and takes its swirls, just like a little Arnik. And she's saying, don't think too much, everything will fall in
Yeah.
place. So we have Arnik who wants to speak on the mic. Arnik, say something. Say mama.
Mama. Mama. Don't smile. Say mama, no. Say mama.
So Arnik wants to play with the mic. Meanwhile, we are going to play a rapid fire round with Ankita. Stay tuned. सी बात मैं अंकिता से आज पूछना चाहूँगी. The mothers who are struggling with pregnancy and they are trying hard and not conceiving, for them, what is your one message, Ankita?
You know, everything is decided by God. I mean, whatever is decided, just wait and be patient. Everything gonna happen, trust me. So just don't think, I am trying and it's not happening. It gonna take time, but it will happen, trust me. Yeah.
Any fears during pregnancy that you have faced?
Fears during pregnancy? No, I was enjoying my pregnancy, to be very honest, because I was loving it, because मेरे को इतना कोई प्रॉब्लम हुई भी नहीं प्रेगनेंसी में. जैसे मुझे बेड रेस्ट भी नहीं बोला गया, एंड माई प्रेगनेंसी वॉज वेरी वेरी स्मूथ. तो सब बोलते थे अभी मज़े कर ले, अभी ऐश कर ले, बाद में पता चलेगा. आई वाज लाइक, क्या पता चलेगा, कुछ नहीं पता चलता, हो जाएगा. अभी घूमते बच्चे के साथ घूम लेंगे. तो नाउ अब पता चल रहा है, ओ गॉड, इट्स एक्चुअली वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. प्रेगनेंसी इज एक्चुअली वेरी ईजी. कंसीविंग इज डिफिकल्ट, प्रेगनेंसी इज ईजी, देन हैंडलिंग द बेबी is the toughest thing.
So share the first travel experience with Arnik.
So first travel experience was with Bentley also, my pet dog. So oh god, it was a task for me. I was like handling Bentley, then handling, because Arnik was too small, he was 3 months, so every 4-5 hours he used to take feed, so it was very difficult during the journey, because obviously I am like I'm a traveler, I love traveling, so I'm like मैं तो घर पे बैठने नहीं वाली हूँ, मुझे जाना है. But traveling with the newborn, it's actually very difficult. ऐसे लगता है vacation पे जाने के बाद भी vacation चाहिए.
So it's a workation.
हाँ, वर्केशन ही लगता है मुझे. तो ऐसा लगता है घर ही ज़्यादा रिलैक्सिंग था, यहाँ तो आके और ज़्यादा हो रहा है. So
Ankita, I want to know a very very close to my heart topic. Lot of people, when I ask them personally while I'm anchoring, I host a lot of events. So lot of mothers come, and when I ask them आप क्या करते हो, so वो मुझे बोलती हैं कि मैं तो हाउसवाइफ हूँ, मैं तो घर पे रहती हूँ. And I always tell them that घर पे रहते हो is not a small thing.
Yeah, exactly.
It's a very big thing. और आप full time job है ये.
Exactly, फुल टाइम मॉम होना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. ये कहने की बात होती है कि आप घर पे रहते हो हाउस, क्योंकि बच्चों के बहुत काम होते हैं. वो मुझे अब पता चल रहा है, पहले तो मुझे लगता था घर पे हाउसवाइफ हो के क्या है. नाउ आई अंडरस्टैंड बीइंग लाइक आप घर पे रहते हो, बच्चों को कितनी, छोटे बच्चों को तो स्पेसिफिकली, ओ गॉड, इट्स डिफिकल्ट. एंड हैट्स ऑफ टू एवरीबडी. आप वर्क चूज करते हो कि आपको वर्क करना है, आपको कोई ज़बरदस्ती नहीं करता. नोबडी टेल्स मी कि अंकिता, अगर मुझे कल को वर्क छोड़ना भी है तो आई विल, एंड नोबडी विल टेल मी कि क्यों छोड़ा. माई रिस्पेक्ट वुड बी द सेम. इट्स माई डिसीजन टू बी हाउसवाइफ और टू बी वर्किंग. इट्स टोटली माई डिसीजन. So hats off to all the mothers out there who are actually doing housework without any help, because I know there are so many mothers who don't have any help, and they have twins, they have kids, and they पूरा दिन लगना पड़ता है. So it's hats off to them, honestly.
एक बात अंकिता ने बहुत अच्छी कही है, we choose our work, but you cannot choose working as a mother or being a mother, and motherhood is a full-time job and
Which is unappreciated. People don't appreciate it. People, ये तो आपका फर्ज है, ये तो आपको करना ही है. It's not true. I mean, obviously बहुत सारी mothers अपनी ड्रीम को छोड़ भी देती हैं, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली उनके बेबी के लिए. आई हैव सीन सो मेनी मदर्स एक्चुअली क्विटिंग देयर जॉब, 6-figure salary to raise the kid. So it's not like that. And I think fathers, क्यों बोलते हैं ना कि mothers are the biggest योद्धा or whatever, because actually they see household, they see babies, they work, they cook, so they are all rounder. I mean, we don't see fathers doing everything, every role. They are good in their way, but mothers actually do everything, every role perfectly.
आज यहाँ आने से पहले अंकिता मैंने सोचा था कि लोग कहते हैं कि भगवान को मैंने नहीं देखा पर मैंने अपनी माँ को देखा है और माँ मेरी पहली भगवान है क्योंकि वो ये इंसान है जिन्होंने मुझे इस धरती से इस दुनिया से मिलवाया है और मैंने आंखें खोलते ही जिस पहले भगवान को देखा है वो माँ है। तो जब आर्निक ने आपकी तरफ पहली बार देखा, हाउ वाज दैट फीलिंग?
I had tears in my eyes, of course, because obviously आप 9 महीने उनको अपनी टमी में रखते हो, आप उसको फील करते हो, आप देखते हो कि कैसा लगेगा, वो कैसा होगा। एंड व्हेन जब वो आपके ऊपर होता है, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली जो डॉक्टर्स होते हैं वो आपको स्किन टू स्किन देते हैं, मदर्स से पहला स्किन टू स्किन देते हैं और किसी से भी नहीं देते हैं। चाहे डॉक्टर सबसे पहले बेबी को देखे, बट स्किन टू स्किन एक मदर से होता है, वो फीलिंग इज अमेजिंग। It's beautiful feeling.
So lot of actors, lot of influencers and lot of my friends are scared of becoming mothers and they say that it's very difficult for us to become mothers. I think we will adopt or we will skip motherhood. What is your message to them?
It's their decision. I cannot judge them. It's totally up to them. It's their body. It's their thinking. So I don't think so we should judge any women out there if they are, thinking of adoption as well, because adoption is also a very great thing if they are thinking of doing that, Born करा है, बर्थ दिया है और नहीं भी दिया है, यू ऑल मतलब आई मीन वो भी मदर्स हैं बहुत अच्छी।
क्या बात है, एवरी मदर इज स्पेशल।
If you see Sushmita Sen as an example, she didn't get married and she is raising 3 or 2 beautiful 3 I think she daughters, and look at them. She doesn't even need a man. She's raising them beautifully.
And a very beautiful example of a great human inside out is sitting one more take. And a very beautiful person. ले लेंगे नहीं हुआ, बहुत अच्छा बोला। And a very beautiful mother sitting beautifully. दोबारा लेते हैं, ये कंफ्यूजन हो गया, सामने से लोग आ गए थे ना। ओके, लेट्स टेक वन मोर टाइम। And a very beautiful human sitting next to me who is beautiful inside out. She has answered me very beautifully about the fears of young independent modern women who cannot give time to full-time motherhood and who have their own struggles. Ankita has explained how beautifully you can adopt and still feel the same way. Thank you, Ankita. You have been an amazing person right next to me and I want to know from you one thing that you have learned from your own mother.
From my own mother, sacrifices, I think so, because nowadays our younger generation, they don't sacrifices because they have a lot of things. We can get nannies, we have a lot of house helps, but at that point of time, that generation was very different. So I think mothers at that time used to sacrifice a lot for their child in terms of career also. Nowadays women are not ready to sacrifice their career, but that time, I think mothers were more sacrificing.
So with this, I think the moment Ankita said sacrifice, you can hear in my voice, I got tears in my eyes because I remember how my mother has sacrificed her full-time career of being a teacher to become my mother, and my mother is also sitting here, and all the mothers here who have tears in our eyes, we have Ankita's mother also. So ये जो आँखों में आँखें जो इस समय नम है सबकी, वो इसलिए है क्योंकि हम सब ने यूनिकली सैक्रिफाइस करा है कुछ ना कुछ एक माँ बनने के लिए। माँ ही एक ऐसी शख्सियत है जो खुद से पहले सबका सोचती हैं। हर एक माँ को मेरा कोटि कोटि शत शत प्रणाम है। और ऐसे हैं किरदार भारत के, तभी लोग कहते हैं कि भारत एक ऐसी धरती है जहाँ बहुत ही खूबसूरत माँ हुई हैं, चाहे वो हमारी यशोदा मैया हो, चाहे वो सीता मैया हो, चाहे जगत जननी माता रानी हो, और चाहे आज हमारे साथ एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत सक्सेसफुल टैलेंटेड अंकिता राघव अरोड़ा और बाकी सभी खूबसूरत इन्फ्लुएंसर जो मेरे साथ और उनकी मदर्स यहाँ मौजूद हैं। इसी समय आई थिंक एवरीबडी इज हैविंग टीयर्स इन देयर आईज एंड आई वांट टू just have a moment of celebrating together with everyone who is here with their eyes little bit कहते हैं ना आंखें नम है पर कोई गम नहीं है, ये खुशी के आंसू है। So I want to ask how are you feeling about this? Megha, you are yourself a mom.
I am so much attached. I am speechless right now. मतलब मुझे देख के मुझे खुद मेरे आंसू कंट्रोल नहीं हो रहे हैं because as Ankita said, sacrifice, सच्ची में हमारी मॉम ने हमारे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा सैक्रिफाइस किया है। आजकल हमारे पास तो सारी चीज़ की एडवांटेज है, सारी चीज़ की फैसिलिटीज़ है, बट ट्रस्ट मी हमारी मॉम्स ने हमारे लिए बहुत सैक्रिफाइस किया। हैट्स ऑफ टू आवर मॉम्स। थैंक यू।
ये खूबसूरत जज्बात जो हैं आज जो इकोज में हम आवाज़ सुन पा रहे हैं, ये दिल की आवाज़ है। और मैं प्रियंका से पूछूंगी वन मोस्ट मेमोरेबल मोमेंट शी हैज़ फ्रॉम हर चाइल्डहुड विद हर।
There is not one moment, but there are several moments because my mom always supports me. She is always there. And one thing I have learned, friends हो, relatives हो, जो भी हो, सब छोड़ जाते हैं, but mother never leaves you. So she is always stays with me, and I'm very grateful for that.
And such an emotional moment. We take a small emotional प्यार वाली break and come back to you on your favorite show, किरदार भारत के. Language of love is very beautiful. We all speak language of love. And the kids, the first language any kid speaks is the language of love. As we can see Arnik today speaking the language of love today with us. Our lovely guest Arnik and Ankita Raghav Arora. Hi Arnik, how are you? Say something. So Ankita is understanding what he's saying. Ankita, what is he saying?
He is like, you know, Mama, just please be fast now. I am like done now.
So now we will ask Arnik a question and Ankita will answer.
Yeah.
So okay, let's start. All right, everybody, this is your anchor Shilpa Bhasin, and you have watched our 150 plus episodes for Celebrate Life with Shilpa Bhasin. And after a lot of great insights and questions that has been beautifully answered by Ankita, I have to say one thing, that because everybody loves her fashion game. Ankita's fashion game is so strong that she is looked upon as the fashion icons by many. So I want to know her favorite kids and mommy brands so that you can also create the same look that Ankita creates.
So my mommy brands, see, I don't particular, there is nothing as particular as you should dress up like mommy. What is like that, you know? So I basically choose my fashion and I go with my vibe. I don't dress up like a mommy. There is no term like that. So I basically shop from all the international websites because our stuff come usually from US and UK. Raghav has a shoe business, so मैं उसमें सारा सामान अपना Pretty Little Things, Fashion Nova, all the international brands I shop from, but obviously from local shops as well. I shop Zara, H&M, whatever I like I shop. So there's no particular brand, to be honest. There are a lot of different websites, shops and stores I shop
And for
from.
Arnik?
Arnik First Cry is really good, Myntra, and I love H&M. To be very honest, H&M has amazing clothes for kids. I wish मेरे को तो लगता है मैं सब कुछ ही खरीद लूँ H&M का. I just love that, and I love neutral palettes basically. Right now he is wearing very, you know, very cute yellow outfit, but I love neutral clothes on him. So I love H&M for that matter.
So how do you coordinate with Arnik whenever you are going out? You three are always dressed, color coordinated, amazingly looking so nice. But you know, I have told you one thing that everybody says that Ankita is the Kylie Jenner of India. How do you relate with that?
No, not at all. I don't think so. But that's an amazing compliment. She's awesome. She's good looking. So obviously I love that compliment. But it's not like that I'm a Kylie Jenner of India. It's not like that. But then,
So who's your fashion idol?
my fashion idol would be, there are so many people, yaar. I love Malaika Arora Khan. I love Alia Bhatt. And in international, if you talk about Hollywood, I love Rihanna. I love her. And then I love obviously Kim Kardashian and Kylie. Kylie fashion game is also very, very strong. I love them also.
So we can see that as well as in fashion, in motherhood, in personal life, she's an amazing go-getter. So do you cook yourself?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Cooking. Nobody knows this thing, but I love cooking. But मैं तभी करती हूँ जब मेरा मन करता है. मैं रोज नहीं कर पाती हूँ. But I love cooking. I love, like, you know, I can make everything except आटा गूंदना नहीं आता मुझे, डो नहीं बनाना आता है, और रोटी नहीं आती है. Otherwise, every vegetable, everything I know how to cook.
So we are coming next time to her house for another interview and tasting her dish, right? So Ankita, let's do this rapid fire and some mommy rapid fire and some rapid fire regarding you and your life. So let's do it. Okay, Ankita and Arnik's favorite food together.
I think French fries we love. When we order French fries, he just eat 1-2 of it and I eat whole of it. So I think French fries are our comfort food.
Your favorite color?
My favorite color is black, pink and tan. Yeah.
So same is for Arnik now.
Of course, because obviously na, he doesn't have any choice. He cannot wear on his own. So obviously, whatever we like, he has to wear it.
Your favorite outdoor picnic with Arnik will be in a park or a restaurant or your favorite airport.
Airport, of course. Traveling. Traveling is love. So I love traveling.
Traveling is love. If you are offered a reality show with Arnik, which reality show you want to go?
Big Boss.
Oh wow!
Of course, Big Boss is like, the hero of reality shows. It's the biggest reality show on the television. So I would love to go to Big Boss.
Which Indian travel destination you want to travel with Arnik next?
Indian. Kerala. I want to visit Kerala. It's very beautiful. Yeah.
Very nice. And which one pet you will always adore together as mother and son?
Pet. Bentley, of course. Bentley is my first, not human baby, but he's my first baby.
So sweet.
First human baby.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's so sweet, and such a pet lover that she is. She's always in lines for supporting great causes, and today she's here supporting a cause for the people who cannot speak and hear. So for this motive and for your philanthropist nature, Ankita, I want to thank you for being here. And one motivational line you want to say to every mother that you also see or listen to whenever you are feeling down.
See, because I'm a new mother, so the phrase I love the most is like, it's just a phase. Everything gonna be all right. Just give it a time. And if you are feeling low, if you're feeling sad, it's just a phase. Just remember that.
Wow, it's just a phase, everything will pass on eventually. Wow. And who is that one inspirational figure you open your phone and watch every day, if we may know?
I mean, in terms of a mother figure, or like what kind of a figure?
In your life, from where you derive your inspiration to be a better human being every day, because everybody sees some videos, some idols, some stars. So who is that one person in your life you look up to?
Of course, my mother. I think for every child, it's gonna be their mothers they look up to. So whenever you're feeling sad, if you want to take advice, you're gonna call your mother. They're gonna be your first person to ask, and they're gonna tell you the honest opinion. If you're looking bad, if you are dealing with something, they're gonna be honest. They won't fake it. So I feel like our moms are like our biggest advisors. They're gonna be very, very honest. If you're gonna feel bad, and it's good for you.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, it's good for you. They're gonna be that honest. So that's it.
So one thing, if given a chance, you would like to change in your present life, any one thing?
What I need to change in my life? What I need to change? I think sometimes I lack motivation. Sometimes there are days when I don't feel like doing anything, and it's okay, obviously, to feel that ways. You get tired, you don't want to do anything, but I think I need to change it. Sometimes I need to be more grateful. Sometimes we think like, कि ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है. Sometimes we forget to be grateful. तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे को वो चीज़, I have everything, so I have to be more grateful. That's the thing I need to change about myself.
Such a humble human being and such a humble reply. With this, I would like to thank Ankita and Arnik for being on the show. I hope you enjoyed the show.
Of course, I loved it.
Thank
It
you.
was awesome.
So Kirdar Bharat ke inspiring real life stories of fashion influencer and the newest mommy Ankita Raghav Arora has been fabulous. और इसी के साथ मैं इतना कहना चाहूँगी, आज मदर्स डे स्पेशल में हमारे साथ इस शो में कई स्पेशल मदर्स और इन्फ्लुएंसर्स मौजूद हैं जिनकी कई कहानियाँ हैं और कई सवाल वो अंकिता से भी पूछना चाहते हैं और हम भी उनसे कुछ बातें करेंगे. Stay tuned for that. And with this, I Shilpa Bhasin would like to say a few lines for our mothers कि भूख अपनी भुलाकर खिलाया हमको, नींद अपनी भुलाकर सुलाया हमको. खुदा ऐसी शख्सियतों को कभी दुख मत देना, आपने माँ बनाया जिनको. Thank you, namaskar. See you in the next episode.
Thank you.